welcome to the Disney Magic. This is cabin 2584, a deluxe ocean view stateroom. I was sailing with my friend Chantel. This was a 7-night DVC member cruise sailing. So that's why you'll see these little gifts that they would give us every day on the bed. I'll post a video right here that shows you my complete haul. We had a queen size bed, and this was lifted up off the floor, so there was plenty of room underneath for luggage. You had a nightstand on either side of the bed with a drawer, outlets on either side, a lamp on either side, a full-length mirror, which is always great when you're getting ready. And over here we had the couch that turned into a bed. This is actually where I slept. More on that in just a minute. Not much of a view while we were still in port, but we did have a better view later. Over on the other side of the room, you had a desk with a little vanity area, a nice little stool, plenty of drawers in this area. I really was able to unpack all of my belongings without any trouble at all. Our in-room TV had all of the ship announcements, as well as 24-hour-a-day Disney movies. It also had regular TV like CNN if you wanted to watch the news while you were on a cruise ship, but why would you want to do that? There was also a small fridge. There's our names. And over here, even more storage. I love this Pirates of the Caribbean artwork. Now, how awesome is this picture of Walt and Lillian on the deck of some ship somewhere, and Walt is holding a stuffed Mickey? So cute! The closet was plenty big. We had plenty of hangers. There was a safe. Up above, we had our life jackets. And then we come to the split bath. This part here had a sink, a toilet, and plenty of room for toiletries. The second part of the split bath consisted of a shower and tub combo, more storage, Chantel and I loved that we each had plenty of room for our own individual toiletries. They have the full-size H2O products. Now, I know there are some people that really don't like, the full-size bottles. They prefer the individual travel size. This does not bother me in the least. It's better for the environment. We had body wash, conditioner, and shampoo, as well as the body lotion, and I used all of these products during our entire trip. And now I need to get some new ones. They do sell it on Amazon, and I love all the H2O products. That privacy curtain worked out really well for two adults sailing together. This is my bed, all made up by Luis, our cabin attendant for the night. I was amazed at how comfortable this bed was, and I did not have any trouble at all sleeping on it. Thank you for joining me for this very quick room tour. Whether you have sailed many times or you are dreaming about your next Disney cruise, I hope you've enjoyed this footage. Please subscribe if you haven't already and join me for more great Disney content.